You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations in English, make sure to stay tuned. We got many more coming up for you at the end of this video. The word in British English and American English pronunciations is naturism. Alright, so let's break it down. The nature, it's a ch sound, okay? It's not a T because it comes from the word nature. Naturism. Stress on the first syllable. The naturism. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.